Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.thearborschool.ae. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, the Arbor School. In this main page right corners one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers you can get what are the teaching job vacancy in the Arbor School. So here they are given. So please view our current available position below. Enquiries can be made to recruitment at thearborschool.ae. So these are the academic position for Arbor School. Head of Primary School, Eco-Literacy Specialist Teacher, PE Teacher, Secondary Arabic and Islamic Teacher, Foundation Stage Teacher, Primary Teachers, Computing and Mathematics Teacher, Drama and English Teacher. These are the academic position for August 2021. So non-academic position is School Doctor. So if you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. For example, if you are interested head of primary school, you can click this link head of primary. You can get another one page. In this page, you can get what is the qualification, job description, etc. So they are looking for outstanding head of primary school to join the team for August 2021. So required candidate profile is native level English language skill, bachelor degree in education or bachelor degree with postgraduate certification in education with qualified teacher status, otherwise equivalent. Minimum 5 years of experience leading with high quality educational setting, advanced postgraduate university degree, a record of leading outstanding teaching and learning, and an ability to create caring and nurturing classroom environment. So these are the things are they are expecting candidate. Remuneration package they are mentioned here. All position attracts a generous remuneration package including competitive salary, accommodation allowance, schooling for children, private medical insurance, annual airfare and end of service gratuity as per the UAE labor law. So if you are interested this position, to apply for this position, please ensure the following document are sent to recruitment at thearborschool.ae. While sending your application, you can mention the attention of Mr. Brett Griven with the role of head of primary, the Arbor School, specified in your email header. Up-to-date CV with recent photograph to be included. A letter of application no longer than 2 pages in length with outlines your educational philosophy and suitability for the Arbor School. So all appointments are subject to CV and qualification checking, interview, identity checks, criminal record check and successful references. So these are the things only in the Arbor School. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply up-to-date CV with your letter of application to recruitment at the arborschool.ae. So this is the way of application. The next one is Swiss International Scientific School. In URL you can enter www.sisd.ae. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page Swiss International Scientific School. In this main page right corner menu available. If you click this menu you can get one option our school. If you click this link our school you can get one option careers. So if you click this link careers you can get what are the current vacancies for Swiss International School. Teaching assistant English speaker, teaching assistant French bilingual and April to July 21, primary music, secondary French language and literature, boarding house residential tutor, individuals and societies teacher, inclusion teacher, secondary German language and literature teacher, middle year program English language and literature, primary counselor, French speaking primary years teachers, supply teachers for primary school. So these are the vacancies for Swiss International School. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. For example, if you are interested for primary music teacher, you can click this plus link. If you click this link, you can get job description. So view job description. If you click this link, view job description, you can get the what are the job description for music teachers. Location is Dubai, UAE. When it start mean August 2021. The duties and responsibilities are given here. Education, bachelor degree in music, teaching qualification, relevant recent professional development that qualifies the candidate for this post. Experience, extensive international primary music teaching experience, at least 2 years. Competencies given, additional requirement. So any additional language, French, German or Arabic, the ability to offer instrumental private lesson would be an advantage. So candidate are requested to submit the following document: cover letter of 1 page explaining your strength as a candidate and why you are interested in this position, and outline the relevant skills in his application to offer instrumental private lesson. Current CV not to exceed 2 pages. So please send your application to hr@sisd.ae. So due to the expected volume of application, they will only contact those applications are shortlisted for interview. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Otherwise, you can click this link apply. If you click this link apply, you can get online application also. So first name, last name, nationality and current location. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. You can upload up-to-date CV and cover letter, academic qualification. Please ensure you have all documents ready to upload. You begin this process. Once you have uploaded, you can give it to apply. Once you have submit your application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. This is the way to apply for Swiss International School, UAE. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, job description and qualification, etc. The third one is Brington School, Abu Dhabi. So if you are entering this URL bringtoncollege.ae, you can get this main page. In this main page, one of the options, staff vacancies. If you click this link, staff vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Brington College, Abu Dhabi. Staff vacancies are below. You may wish to register our talent pool. So these are the vacancies: administration manager, temporary teacher of drama, temporary teacher of science, German, Spanish and French, teacher of art, director of sport, teacher of chemistry, teacher of EAL, group leader, head of school, early years teacher, key stage 1 teacher, headmaster, learning support assistant, and the application forms are also given here. So these are the vacancies for academic year 2021. If you are interested these vacancies, for example, if you wish to apply chemistry teacher, you can click this link. So they are currently seeking appoint experienced and well qualified and inspirational teachers. Interested applicants should send a letter of application addressed to Mrs. Emma Person, head of senior school. A completed application form available below. Scan copy of qualification and an up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 pages, to Mrs. Lisa Croxton. So if you want to know job description, you can click here. This is the job description for teacher of chemistry, Brington College, Abu Dhabi. Person specification and job description, responsibilities, remuneration, attractive salary, company provided accommodation, school fee remission, private medical insurance for the post holder and his dependent. So all the above in line with the specific school policies. So all applicant must consist of the following completed document: letter of application, maximum 1.5 sites, Addresses to Mrs. Emma Parson, Head of Senior School, Brington College, Abu Dhabi. Completed teacher application form and CV. Maximum of 2 pages. So if you want application form, you can click here, job application. It's left corner available. If you click this link, job application, you can get this school job application form. You can enter your first name, last name, email address, mobile number and post applied for. Then you can submit your application. Once you have submitted your application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So here teacher of application for link here. So if you click this link, you can get application for offline. This application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. First one is your personal details, current employment, employment history, gaps in your employment, references. There are only 8 sections in this application form. You feel required to upload a letter and application for maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. Once you have completed, you can send via email Mrs. Emma Parson. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.